Assalamualaikum and hello. My name is Muhammad binti Alha with metric number CE200161 will present about our assignment 2. Before I go to the main slide, I will introduce to you with our member groups. We are from SEED from subject Creativity and Innovation section 2 and our lecturer for this subject is Professor Madya Dr. Muhammad Yusuf bin Ismail. We have 5 group member and first is our group leader is Sivajoti son of Hari Karan. Second Muhammad Haikal bin Faisal Syaharil. Third Muhammad Fidaus bin Ramli. And second last me. And lastly is Muhammad Izwan Hashim bin Shamsul Amri. For this assignment, we decide to make a smart distance bracelet. Smart distance bracelet is smartwatch that can detect the coronavirus or COVID-19 around us. But the question is, how smart distance bracelets can help in reducing and minimizing coronavirus or COVID-19? This smartwatch can help us with it can detect and activate the alarm if people nearby like 1 until 2 meter with the user. As you can see at this slide, our project description have divided to 2 sections, which is first is objective and second is design. The objective of our project is to detect and activate the alarm if the unknown people nearby like 1 until 2 meter and the user can notice it there are people nearby him. So the user can take action about it. Next, this bracelet will prevent the user from gathering in crowded area. This type of action can lead us to minimize the spreading of coronavirus and it will prevent us from the increasing the coronavirus cases. And last but not least, most of the people doesn't take this pandemic seriously, so they take it for granted. So this is also the main reason why our bracelet come in handy. Now, for the second part is the design of the smart distance bracelet. This design is very suitable for all people because it was designed same as a fitness bracelet and was lightly. For the next is cause and effect chain. This session I will talk about how COVID-19 can affect to us. First, not wearing a mask. If you know, this virus can enter through our respiratory tract and from this, we need to wear a mask when we at outside. Then, no physical distancing also can make COVID-19 effect to us. That's why our country limit every place to avoid us from gather in crowded places. Lastly, we need always wash our hand because we don't know what bacteria have at our hand after we touch at something. That's all from me. Now, I will pass next slide to other presenter. Thank you.
Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Haikal bin Faisal Syahril. My metric number is CE200050. So today I will explain about problem statement. So number 1, COVID-19 spread mainly among people who are in close contact or either prolonged or short time where it will spread when an infected person sneeze, cough or talk to other people and not practicing social distancing, which is 1 meter. Number 2 is lack of surety about your condition and simply meet other people which spread the COVID-19 even if you or people you meet does not have any symptom such as fever, cough, breathing, difficulty, and many more. Number 3 is each and every one of us will have challenge in practicing social distancing and hence we fail to reduce number of daily cases of COVID-19. To overcome this problem, smart distance bracelet is one of the solutions that will help people in practicing social distancing.
Hello and good evening. My name is Sivajodi son of Hariharan, metric number 2037. So today I'm going to explain about the function analysis, which is the methodology for a project. So first is problem. The problem is people don't practice new normal such as physical distancing, hence are unable to reduce stop COVID-19 from spreading. And next is component analysis for product is distance. Component we use buzzer, ultrasonic sensor, and an Arduino. And next super system should be temperature. So this is our function analysis, which is how the subject and subject function and object will work. So next is engineering contradiction. So this is how the flow of our project. So the temperature to ultrasonic sensor once is detected, an ultrasonic sensor will detect buzzer and Arduino. The buzzer will detect Arduino also, and then Arduino will detect the distance.
Hi, my name is Mama Isolanshi Bishan Samri. So today I would like to present about the S-curve for the smartwatch and fitness band technology. So on the Y part we have product performance, while on the X part we have the year that the product being created. Okay, so for the first product it is a Nike plus iPod kit. Second, Apple iPhone. Third is Fitbit. Fourth is Nike Fuel Band. Fifth is Nissan Nismo smartwatch. Next is Miss Swiss watch. Next is Samsung Galaxy Gear, and lastly Apple Watch. Okay, based on the graph, we can show that you have a sharp upward slope where product performance grew rapidly and customer acknowledge those products and gain market share. Okay, so the advantages of this S curve to our product. System market has the capabilities to be applied in our project. So when we create our product, we will be able to sell it because it have the capabilities such as it is increasing in an upward slope. Okay, that's all from me. Thank you.
So we go to inventive principle. For principle 1, asymmetry. A. Change shape of an object from symmetrical to asymmetrical. Introduce geometric feature which prevent incorrect usage. B. If an object is asymmetrical, increase its degree of symmetry. Use variable control surface to alter properties of the solid. Introduction of several different measurement scale. Next, principle 6, universality. A. Make a part or an object perform multiple functions which will eliminate the need for other part. Alarm clock detector, use of standard in data exchange. And then principle 18, periodic action. Instead of continuous action, use periodic or pulsating action. Replace continuous siren with a pulse sound. Multiple process runs. Temperature shock cycling. Periodical in process control. Analysis, inspection and testing.
Okay, next I'm going to explain about the intentive principle, which is principle 23, feedback. So introduce feedback, referring back or cross-checking to improve a process or action. Automatic volume control in audio circuit, thermostat control temperature accurately. Statistical process control (SPC) measurement are used to decide when modify a process, and then budget measurement are used to decide when modify a process. Test run for process parameter adjustment, and lastly is final testing and periodically quality testing. So that's all from me. Thank you very much.
Okay, for inventive principle, the last principle is principle 26, which is copying. There are two parts, which is part A and part B. In part A, instead of unavailable, expensive, and fragile material, use simpler and inexpensive copies, which is to imitate off fitness band, crash test dummy, and virtual prototyping. Okay, so for part B, replace an object or process with optical copies. which is to measure an object by distance measurement from sensor. Next is virtual reality. And lastly, virtual electronic pre-assembly modeling. Okay, that's all from me. Thank you. I will pass the next slide to my friend.
Assalamualaikum to Dr. Yusof. Today I would like to present a proposed solution. Okay, my name is Muhammad Firdaus bin Ramli. My metric number is CE200076. Okay, firstly is use bracelet as one way to check your distance between other people. Second, can avoid any unnecessary close contact. Okay, 3. Those smart bracelet will remind you by activating its alarm. Next, other than that, use double face mask, avoid mass gathering, wash hand frequently, and also use hand sanitizer when you touch something. Okay, this is what would like our 3D model. Okay, we have two kind of color. The left one is black and the right one is white. First, this is buzzer, and the middle of the bracelet is Arduino and ultrasonic sensor, and the bottom of the ultrasonic and Arduino sensor is the buzzer too. That's all from me and my team. Thank you, Doctor.